we're testing the new installed speedometer and it's working. Welcome to my channel and let's do some basic repair on motorcycle. Guys, order natin sa Lazada. Nagbigay sila ng spare. Ito, spare to. Ang nakalagay kasi sa original niya, ito. So hindi ito ang kailangan natin. Ganitong dulo ang kailangan ko, kaya salute doon sa seller. Alam niyo yung kailangan ko. Salute sa'yo. Ito guys, binigyan kasi tayo dito. Bumili ko locally dito. Ang naging problema, yung dulo nito is kaparehas nito. So magaling yung seller, alam niyo yung kailangan ko. So ito talaga kailangan ko, ito yung tip. Ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung isa para maipasok ko, hindi umubra. Ito. Kailangan kasi maipasok natin doon sa dulo. Hindi umubra guys. Huwag nyo nang ipasok kapag iba yung dulo. Ito talaga kailangan natin. Yan, parehas yung tip niya, parehas yung tip. Nung sa balikot, hanyo nga ipilpilitin na Okay. Pwede na tayo mag-start. Here. Pababa. Yours truly is upset when I bought locally for the cable. They gave me different models. I accepted the wrong item because the seller spared time for me to look for two cable that I'm looking for. The other one is the chock cable and the other one is this speedometer cable. So my upset is being solved when I ordered to Lazada for this cable and it's intended for wave 125, yet they gave me two inner cable to make the problem solved, and it's done. I salute to that. He even gave me the extra ball and I didn't ask for that. Perhaps he knows that there's a different model of 1.5 now, so he gave me, and the price is surprisingly amazing. Half of the price of the local I bought here 100 and about 51 I bought in the Lazada. Waiting 3 days on. It's worth waiting. It's almost done guys. The cable is ready to be inserted and we're going to insert it. There must be a click sounds. Yun, connected na. So i-test nga natin. Subukan natin siyang i-spin. Kung hindi makuha sa spin dito sa kamay is doon patakboy natin sa labas. Okay na yung front brake ni Mrs. Bago na. Yung cable ng chock okay na rin. At itong ginagawa natin is speedometer cable. Ang next project natin dito yung gauge ng kanyang fuel. Order na rin tayo, less than 200 or 200 sa Lazada. Install din natin yan, mga idol. At yung air filter nito is bago na rin after 18 years. Yes, you heard it right, 18 years ang inabot mga idol. So kawawan itong motor natin, daily use. Tapos yung air filter nya na nagsasak ng air dahil yung ating gasoline ay kailangan ng air para mag-mixture yung dalawa at magkakaroon ng power yung ating engine at mag-i-spin naman yung kanyang gulong. Yung guys, connected na at connected na rin dito. Here we go, we're going to test it if it's still functioning or not, so we can redo it. And ito siya guys, it's perfectly working. Ayan, perfect na yung ating speedometer. Meron tayong pang hindi na tayo nangangapa kung ano na yung speed natin. Don't worry, tumatakbo lang ito ng 45 or 50 something. Hindi niya na kaya yung 60 mga idol, unlike before na nagsi-60 ito, or depende siguro sa combination ng ating sprocket from rear to front. I-test din natin mga idol yung bagong kabit na disc brake. Ito yung ating brake, yung working din.